In today's video, I'm going to teach you to turn off Xfinity Hotspot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to disable the public hotspot feature on your Xfinity equipment, so only your private home network is broadcasting. This doesn't shut down your home Wi-Fi, it simply turns off the separate public Xfinity Wi-Fi signal that's shared from your gateway. First, sign into your Xfinity account using either the Xfinity app on your phone or by visiting the Xfinity website in a browser. Use your regular account credentials, and if you're prompted for two-step verification, go ahead and complete that. Make sure you're logging in with the primary account holder, since some settings may not appear for secondary profiles. Once you're in, head to the Wi-Fi settings section of your account. In the app, this is typically under Internet or Wi-Fi, then into the area where you manage your gateway. On the website, look for your Internet services, and then the Wi-Fi or gateway management page. The exact labels can change with updates, so take a moment to browse if you don't see it right away. Within Wi-Fi settings, look for the option related to the public hotspot or Xfinity Wi-Fi feature. It may be labeled as Xfinity Wi-Fi, Hotspot, Public Wi-Fi, or something similar. You're looking for the control that manages whether your gateway broadcasts the public network that others can connect to. When you find it, toggle the hotspot feature off to disable it. This stops your gateway from broadcasting the separate public SSID while keeping your private home SSID and password just as they are. If you see any warning or informational message explaining what will change, read it and continue. Be sure to save or confirm your changes if you're prompted. Some versions of the app or website will automatically apply the new setting, while others require you to tap Save, Apply, or Confirm. Wait for the confirmation that your preference has been updated. Keep in mind it may take up to 24 hours for the change to fully take effect across Xfinity's systems. During that time, you might still see the public Xfinity Wi-Fi network appear on nearby devices. That's normal. After the update finishes, that public network should no longer be broadcast from your gateway. And that's it. Your Xfinity hotspot should now be turned off. If you don't see the setting right away, make sure your app is up to date and that you're viewing the correct gateway if you manage more than one location. Thanks for watching and enjoy the extra control over your home network.